Hi guys, how's it going? And welcome to my channel again. And as you can see, a little bit of a different angle here, but I'm in my town car and I'm on my way home, and at home we'll make a new video, and this video I'll show you all the modifications I've made on my town car. I'll show you what's original and I'll show you what's not original, what I have changed or what came already modified when I bought the town car. So a town car right now is not super clean. I use it more as a daily driver, so don't be shocked. You know, I usually am pretty picky and keep my vehicle super clean. This time it's a little bit different, but it's not really dirty either. And I'm trying out a different mount for the camera. Not sure if this is working good. I think it's probably a little bit too low for when I'm driving, but I have a lot of new options for when I'm filming other videos like reviews of products. Alright, so we'll just quit talking right here, and I'll see you when I'm at home. But I'm in the garage with my town car and of course with you. And like I said, I'm glad that you're with me, and together we'll look at the modifications of this town car. So see you in just a little while. Alright, I got the town car parked, and let's look at the modifications. So what is the most obvious to you guys? I think it's this right here. This top here. This is like a canvas top, and it is stitched, and that got done in 2012 before the vehicle got delivered, and the stitches are coming off at some spots. I think it's with age and I guess car washes and all that happens. I did not buy this car new, so the first owner, when he bought it, he probably had that put on, and I think that was like a dealer package, and they could be pretty pricey. You paid good money for those packages, and so it is completely attached, and there's screws here, and look at this, they're in gold around. If you open the doors, you can see how it is screwed on, drilled through the door. Yeah, I don't like that, because that makes me not want to take it off ever. So if I'm getting tired of this, I'll probably redo it with a different type of top, and we'll see. There's still some time before that comes. So that's number one, the top, not stock. So that's the modifications. Then all the emblems are in gold. See gold here. You got some gold going on here, some gold here, and you know the drill. So everything is gold again. So that one there, that was quite a popular one for a while. I remember seeing some Lexuses back in the day that had that too, and even some Mercedes that had the emblems in gold. So not bad, and that's definitely a modification as well. Then let's see this chrome pillars here. Don't believe they came stock. These fender flares are in chrome. That's not stock. Do I mind that? No, I don't mind them. I normally I would say this is kind of ugly, but since this car has so many, so much chrome and gold and all that stuff in it, it kind of goes along with the theme, and I don't mind it. This here, that was quite the thing back in the day, so that's not stock. So, and I guess I could take that off. It would just be probably just glue, and I have to clean it off. What else? This right here, the chrome, not stock either. So those are some obvious items that are not stock on the town car. Now, what about the windows? Of course not. See the windows here? They're way too dark. I haven't tinted. That one's tinted. The windshield is stock. See, and this here, that's tinted from the factory, I really like. And you don't see that on new cars anymore. See, that is stock, and I really like it. So that's, I believe, is it for the exterior. Everything else is stock on this vehicle here. And as for the interior, let's look. Yeah, the interior, everything is stock as well. Even the bulbs are still stock. Now, the mats here, they're still stock with the Lincoln emblem in them, so they're still the original ones. And I really need to clean the vehicle. But you know, when you drive it daily for a while, that's what happens, you know? Yeah, everything there is stock inside the town car. Not stock, of course, all my LED conversions here. So this one's LED, the signal here is LED. So parking lights are all LEDs. These are halogen still, but not the stock bulbs. But yeah, so LED lights, they are not stock. And these backup lights here, they're LEDs as well, same for the one little bulbs there for the license plate. Now I have videos on all the bulbs. Please go on my town car playlist or browse through my videos or search for town car and you find videos on those lights. Light fixtures as well as the bulbs if you're interested in that. Now I think we covered it all. The rest is all stock the way it came in 07. The wheels are also stock from 07. Yeah, this is the Signature Limited, and this is the way it came. So is there still some work to do on this car? Yeah, of course there is. Like this here, see that? I bought it from an old gentleman. He only drove it for 16,000 miles, but he scraped the mirror there. It would be nicer to have that repainted so it looks better. So yeah, there's always a couple issues on it, cosmetic, but I'm very picky with my town car, so for you they might be very minor, which they are. And of course the tires are not stock, but I mean it's the stock size, so those are Goodyear tires, and I believe the town cars came with Michelin tires, did they? I'm not 100% sure, but I believe they come with Michelin tires. Under the hood, everything is stock there. Let's open it up just for fun. But I already tell you that everything is stock under the hood as well. So, put it down, put it up, and look at those lifters. Not only has the town car lifters, which most new cars do not have anymore, but also they're still working. A lot of new cars, they don't work anymore, like the Ford Edge that I had here in the garage a while ago. The lifters were shot, had to be replaced. Or, you know, other cars, they don't even have lifters. All right, here's the engine. Put a new battery in, but it's a Ford battery. So everything's stock in here. The air intake is something that a lot of guys change. You know, you can put the one on from the P71, you can put one on from the Crown Victoria. They look slightly different. For one, they don't have this here. And the box, the end where where it goes in is a little bit different shaped as well, a little larger, and I don't believe it has this one either. So this is all made for comfort, so it muffles the sound a little bit too much, but still the original air intake box on this car here. So soon I'll have it in for service. It's about that time. What am I doing here? That was not good. Anyways, that was the video about the town car. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I also hope that you tune in for the next videos. If you want to know more about my town car, subscribe, hit that like button, and please leave a comment. It helps my channel, and it's just costs you a second. I know you heard that many times on other channels as well. If you like my other cars, like the Shelby GT350 right here, or that beautiful Tesla there. Check my other videos. Alright guys, I hope you have a good day and enjoy your weekend.